Hey everyone, okay, so I have my Sew Sampler box for the month of April. So let's see what we got. Supposedly it's a good one, so we'll see. Enchanted in April. There's a coupon. Ah, pretty good coupon. I like it. So it's a good one actually. Okay, so we have our little list of what we're getting, so which is cool. Okay, first off, oh, this is nice. It is a needle minder, and it is a really, really nice one. It looks like it's my Sew Quilty Life. Looks like it's her month. So, okay, and that is a value of $11.98. And then, oh, we got a sticker. We have a sticker, which I'm sure that costs too, right? So, piece of vinyl sticker, value $2.98. Yeah. Let's see, and then. Trying to take everything out, you guys. Okay, then we have Peaceful Baskets Block 1 Churn Dash Basket Block. Okay, so this must be the new block of the month. Is that how they call it? So can't show you. Oh wait, am I not supposed to show you that? I don't know. It's whatever. I mean, they didn't hide anything, so I don't know. Let's see, $4.98. It's a $4.98 value. So this is a Quilt As You Go kit, Crafty Clutch, June Taylor. Okay, so it's a June Taylor thing. Okay, I see. How fun. Now with Go die cutting instructions. Oh, okay, with the AccuQuilt. AccuQuilt. Let's see, and that is worth $8.98. So it's a Sew Sampler, got it first. Okay. And then this is the pattern Bobbin Blooms. This is really, really cute, you guys. And this is by My Sew Quilty Life. This is a really good one. I like this pattern a lot. So I will be doing this one. This is, yeah, this is really, really good. I like it. So that's good, and that is priced at, it is $9.98. And then this is a So Creative Quilty Journal. Let's look at it, you guys, because I'm kind of curious to see what, because, you know, this isn't everybody's cup of tea, so let's see what it looks like inside. So this value is $10.98. So let's see, because I have the Lori Holtz one, which I adore. Let's see. Well, that's kind of boring. That's really boring. So it's just basically a notepad. So, I mean, you have to be really creative to draw your own. I'm not an architect nor a designer, so yeah, this for me is just a notepad. So, and I love notepads, so it's fine. It's fine, but it's not. I mean, I think the Lori Holt one would have been cool, you know, where you can put, you know, your pictures or something in here, but this is too small for a scrapbook also. You would have to rip out pages and stuff. So, because if you guys know, I'm a scrapbooker also. But yeah, this is just a notebook. Okay, and last but not least is the Flower Girl by My Sew Quilty Life, Heather Briggs. So, and is it fat quarters? Let's see, Flower Girl fat quarters. Yeah, so good. Not fat eighths or anything. I don't have this line. It was too soft for me, and I don't like copying this to this, so this will be different for me. The fabric will be different, but I will use this in some other way. Maybe a table runner or something. This is very, very soft and muted, where I like brights, you know, so, but I still love this. I still love this line. I just didn't want to, you know, pay the $50 to $100 for the fat quarter bundle or the jelly roll. So, but I'm glad I got it in the box. So, figure out a way to use it. You get 6 of them. So, yeah, so pretty cool, you guys. Let's see. That is a value of $25.49. 48. I don't have my glasses. I think it says 25.48. So, okay, I like this box. I'm going to keep it for another month. I'm going month to month. Once I'm not happy with something, I'll probably end up canceling. But I am overall really happy. I will donate this because I don't need any more notebooks like this. So that's fine because I'm part of a guild. And so I'm sure someone will love it and enjoy it. In fact, one of my friends is very creative and she drafts her own stuff. So I'll give that to her. All right, guys. Really happy with what I got. See y'all later. Bye.